Yeah, just done with another Ps4 there. So there's another one that just came in. Ps4 slim, no power at all. So it could be the usual suspect, or we have a soft bridge issue. So we'll open it and see what's going on. So we have the power supply open. Let's just see if we're getting standby voltages. Yeah, plug it in. It's plugged in. Let's see if we'll be getting some voltages here. Okay. Okay, we don't. We're not getting anything. So, what's going on? There is no standby. Actually, for me, it's good news. Why am I saying good news? I don't have to replace that expensive soft bridge, man. There is no standby, that's good news. So, why is there no standby? Let's see what's cracking. Okay, number one, we need to discharge this thing. I'm wearing my watch as usual. I don't recommend that. Your ring or your watch is dangerous when doing power supply or dealing with high voltages. Okay, let's see. Down to a safe zone. Yeah, down to 1 volt. Okay, so usual culprit. Yeah, usual culprit. I don't even have to go anywhere that far. Those are the usual culprits. Okay, I'll let you in on one thing here. So the other day I was fixing one power supply. So that's blown. The fuse will be blown also. Okay, if that's blown, this fuse will be blown also. They go hand in hand. Yep. So the other day, I was fixing a power supply there. You need to make sure. Are we gonna be able to hit that? Okay, so that's the model number there. 7051. Let's just see. This low battery thing is killing me now. Okay, so that's the model number there. Let no waste time doing that. Sorry, while we go. So some of these MOSFETs or SMD MOSFETs, some of them have Zener protection and others don't. So I was fixing one slim Ps4 with this Zener. Yeah, so I didn't know which one it was. I just took it out. I had some MOSFET on the side. I just put it in there. Okay, let's see. Do we still have a short? No, we don't have a short. So let me see if I have another chip somewhere. So I just took that thing out and put another one in and turn the console on. No power. Or I'm getting standby, but the console doesn't power on. Which is strange, but you're getting standby, but you don't have power. Where did I put this thing? Let me pause. Yeah, there's we're working here. So that's sorry, what was I doing? So yeah, I took one of those MOSFET there. I just found another Ps4 power supply. and I just put it in. And to my surprise, that thing didn't explode or anything, but it just wouldn't work. On my phone again. Yeah, so okay, this is what I'm replacing it with. This thing goes to focus. So Ps4 420. So that story of mine there. So I just took it from my Ps3. It wasn't shorting or anything. Put it on that power supply. It wouldn't work. Just like this one here. When you Google it, there is no data sheet for it. So now, after doing that, I need to check now what's going on. Start using my thermal cam, start looking for errors someplace else. And I just say, okay, let me just look at what I just did now. What did I just replace? This thing, this MOSFET. So let me see if I can find another MOSFET and put it in there. So I found another MOSFET, I put it in there, it worked. That's when I realized that some power supply will work with just a normal N-channel MOSFET, and others won't work with a normal N-channel. So others you'll need a Zener with one with a Zener protection, and others you won't. So just to keep in mind. What was I doing here? Yeah, there's the fuse. That was a short story that took forever to be told. My phone just keep on ringing. Okay. Okay, let's just see here. Okay, that's off. This big fuse here. Just have to make it work. Let's chop these legs. If you don't do this, Christmas might come in early. Okay, so let's see now if you have a short somewhere else. And hopefully this is all we needed to do. Are we shorting here? No, we're not. Okay, I'd like to test it this way. Okay, we're good. Yeah, that's fine there. Are we shorting here? Okay, that's not one put a touch there. Yeah, that's okay. No short, not shorting there. There, it's fine. Yeah, blocking the view there, that's also fine. Yeah, let's just test it out and see. Let's see here. Are we going to get an explosion? We're gonna get some readings. Okay, it's plugged in. It is plugged in. Let's see if we're gonna get our voltages here. Yep, we've got our voltages there. But is it going to work? That's the other question. Because we might get the voltage, but it's not guaranteed that it's going to work. Okay. Okay, that's it. It's plugged in. Yeah, as I was saying there. Is it going to work? We don't know. Okay, let's just see. I was also looking at that cable. That cable was looking funny inside. Let's just see. Oh, is it this? Okay, it's stuck. Okay, where are we? Let's do this. I'm just want to cover this because I need to flip it. The switch button was looking funny also. Let's eject this disk and see if we'll be able to power it up with the disk. Okay, we pumped power out with the disk. So I think we have the same scenario again here, where we have standby, but the console will just not power up. Oh, it's actually on. It's working. Yeah, it's working. It is working. Yeah. It's working there. There we go. So, I also need to fix that switch button there. So let's just see. Yep. So, problem solved. Problem 1 solved. Problem 2, I need to fix the switch button here. Okay, just bonus. There is just how I fix this. So, I'll just chop this side here. I don't know if you would see that. Just got that dead part. We'll scrap here if it will allow me. Yeah, this thing is not thing enough. Okay, so what was I doing here? So cut that part, and then we'll scratch here. Okay, it's like there's one more to go. Are you able to see that? Yeah, okay, that's perfect, it's enough. So, going back here, we'll slide this in this way. And then this comes, push it. That's it. Let's see now if we're gonna get, if this is going to work. Okay, there we go. The flex ribbon is fixed. No issue whatsoever. Okay, that's blue for now. Let's see if it's gonna turn white. Okay, it's restarting. Yeah, it's turning white, so the white is working also. And the other one should also work. So, guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I'll let it do its thing. Bye.